there are two ways of seeing everything around us in nature. One is art and creation. That everything around ourselves in the nature we see as something as art or creation. We are not defining any term of creator here, or we are not neglecting or neglecting what we don't know. We are only just talking here about creation in the universe. Okay, so creation can be any type, whether it is creation in the universe with itself or it is creation made by humans. Okay, or even it can be many animal because it is not as effective as made by human, but animal also make something creation. If they just kick something and the stone broke into pieces, it is also some kind of creation. So but here we are talking about every creation, every type of creation in the universe. So there are two ways of seeing everything around us. First is we see everything around ourselves as a art, that we see everything around ourselves as a creation. And second way is that everything us around we see through eye of science. There are two different ways. Okay, so now first talk about through when we are talking about and seeing everything around ourselves as art, as creation in the universe. Okay, the first fundamental thing here is in the zone. That when we are thinking about everything as art and creation in the universe, in the best thing in the zone is that we are seeing everything for just the thing as it is. We are not expecting anything from that. In the zone when we are in, we are not thinking that what can we get from that thing. Like if we are seeing fruits, like if we are seeing mangoes on a tree, we are seeing what a beautiful tree and what a beautiful fruits which are which are a tree. But what a beautiful banana, what a blackberry. There are several kind of fruits. Or we are seeing flower on the plants and we are too happy and we feel too special, and we look at what is the beautiful smell they have, what is the beautiful color they have, and they all have different kind of shade, different kind of color, and we are just in love with them just by them as they are. And in this zone we appreciate everything around ourselves similarly. Like if we get up in the morning and we feel the sunlight and sun heat, we feel wow, at that I'm too blessed that I'm receiving light of the sun and I'm feeling too healed and I'm feeling too energetic. So that is the one zone, that is the zone that we are seeing everything around ourselves as art. And next, and another zone is that when we are seeing everything around ourselves as science, through eye of science. Okay, so in that zone mainly we think everything about that, how we can use that thing for ourselves. Like if we are seeing mango, we immediately thinking about that we can make a mango shake out of that. Or if when we are seeing banana, we see we can make banana shake out of that. Or when we are seeing different kind of fruits, we see how we can get juice from them. When we are seeing some flower, we use them for making perfumes. So even this thing is looking too small here, but it is not small here, because when someone is only living in this zone of thinking scientifically, everything around himself or themselves, the people of group which are seeing only scientifically, all the people the thing which is useful for them, they think it is good in the nature, and they think it is not useful for them, they throw out of the box. They think it is useless. That is the problem with this science, that if some flower is not giving us perfume, we stop planting seed for these flowers. Even it's look beautiful, but we stop plant seed for them because it is not give us juice, perfume or any kind of stuff we want. That is the problem with if we are only seeing with the science perspective. There can be different example, that in scientific zone the main thing is that we see everything is important to us which is useful for us, and which is not useful for us we don't want to keep with us just for the sake of beauty. That is the harsh reality in this science. Okay, now here some confusion can arise, that that what is the mean that in art field, or when we are seeing everything around ourselves as a creation, then in that zone if we don't use anything for ourselves. No man, No, that's not point. The most interesting point is that here, that in art zone, in creation zone, when we are seeing everything around ourselves as a creation, including ourselves, we use think for ourselves, we use think for other people, but the things which is not useful for us, we also love them and appreciate them. That is the main difference between seeing everything us around as a creation in the universe and everything around just only with the sake of science. Like if some flowers which is not useful for making perfumes, we still plant seeds for them because they look beautiful in the nature, they look beautiful in the garden. We are not planting just, we are not only care about that if we get anything from them. Like there are many type of animal which you get milk from them, and some animal after certain age they are unable to give milk. I don't know what was the reason and what is the reason, but some people I don't know, throw them, or they just leave them because they are not capable of giving milk right now. So this is the perspective of science. Till the thing is in use, till the thing is beneficial for us, we care about the thing. But when the thing is stopped giving us importance, we think that is the useless thing in the nature. That is the harsh reality in science. But in a creation perspective, in a creation point of view, in creation zone, when we are seeing everything around ourselves as a creation in the universe, then we feel a deep unity within it, because we are also creation in the universe. And one more thing I want to include here, which is very important, that there are only two ways of seeing one reality. Okay, so don't think that we are seeing everything as art in the universe or everything as art creation in the universe. This is not a belief system. This is not a belief system. Some people think that this is a belief system, that we are seeing everything around ourselves as art and creation, and if we are seeing only scientific perspective, that is we are only true, and this is the belief system, like this is wrong, this is right. No, this is also right, and I am going to tell you how. See, when we began happen, and after several years, million years, primary and fundamental creation was that star and galaxies. After that creation, that star explode and they again become gas clouds. Then again star form, then again become gas cloud, and this process was going on for several years. Then after some time, some planets born from that stars, and from out among that planet, some planets are which have life and which don't have life. And not only planet, meteoroids, comets, asteroid, they are different kind of space object born from the planets, born from the stars. Okay, so now after several years of life on the planet, after several years life born on the planet, so you are seeing planet itself a art, the life born itself a art, its creation, the trees on itself a creation, the ocean on the planet are a creation, the fruits on the planet are creation, the vegetable on the planet are creation, the animals on the planet are creation, the humans on the planet are creation, the species under the ocean are creation. Everything is a creation. So it is not just only two ways that we see everything as creation and we see everything with the science perspective. So when we are seeing everything as a creation, we feel an inclusiveness. We see inclusiveness because we are made of the same fundamental creation in the universe. We don't see any differentiate and any difference between any one of us. Like some of the people differentiate several people according to for several reasons, for color, caste, creed, weight, height, health, wealth, any kind of thing. But when we are seeing everything around ourselves as an art in universe, as a creation is the universe, because we all are geometrical creation in the universe, because we all have physical boundary. So we see that we have some special physical boundary, some animal have some special physical boundary, some bird have some special physical boundary, some star have some special physical boundary, and clouds have some special geometrical boundary and physical boundary. So we all have different and special and certain physical boundary, but we all are connected by a string, that is physical boundary. So we all are connected by geometry. So when we are seeing everything as that perspective, and more the perspective, when we are seeing everything as that way, by this way and with this way, then we see everything around us, and everything in the universe is a creation in the universe. It is too simple to understand. And because everything in the universe is came from the fundamental creation in the universe, so we all are connected. We all are connected, and we share a deep cosmic relation. We all are. All the living life in the universe are, all the creation in the universe are connected by a deep cosmic link, are connected by a deep cosmic relation. So when we are seeing everything around a creation universe, that is a more inclusive approach. That is a more approach that include ourselves. That is a approach that we see everyone are connected, and that is the approach that when we see that what we are seeing is the best way to see to the reality, that we are one with universe, we are in alignment with universe. And the more we start seeing these things, the more we start understanding that we are one with universe. The more we start thinking, the more our thinking start become universal, and our action start become universal. Then we start doing the things which will be maybe not beneficial for us, but that will be beneficial for after 15 years. That will be beneficial for us after 50 years. That will be beneficial for us after 100 years. That will be beneficial for us after 1000 years. Like this is the video lecture I am recording. They will be beneficial for us till the universe will exist. This is the best lecture and video I am creating in any time, in any space in universe. So that is the main thing. That when we are thinking that we are one with universe, we do and everything universal. We feel a deep inclusion with ourselves. People from the India, people from the US, people from the UK and several countries all around the world. We see a deep relation with all of them. We see that we all are connected, and we rise above the border, and we meet in an infinity field, where we see that we all came from the fundamental creation in the universe. Then we don't find any reason to fight with anyone. Then we don't find any reason to see that is the person is different from ourselves. That is the reason that there is no difference. All the boundary we have in the universe. People have all the boundary in the universe, and some people have become, they produce bad habit in themselves to see everything around in boundary. Like, if I with that person, then see everything in boundary. If I put, we both go and we stand on a stage in a hall, and there will be 100 people around us. So even that guy is not talking to me, but in their mind, what he is seeing, that he is seeing that he is seeing that boy is tall, that girl is smart, that girl is cute, that boy is handsome, like that boy is stupid, that boy is angry, that boy is happiness, that happy, and that boy is angry, that boy is mischievous, and that boy is sweet. So in just some seconds, the guy is standing with me, who is believe that everything is in boundary in nature, in foundation and border in nature. The one who believe that everything is not connected, the one who see that everything is isolated, the one who see that we all are different from some people, they will not the best people in the universe. They are not, and they are not even thinking right and not true. They are just living in the belief. The border all around the world and the country are because of only that. But when we are seeing from scientifically, you should use science to see and to bring more and more peace and inclusiveness in the universe, inclusiveness in the world. Like we all know that we came from the star element, and star and galaxy are the fundamental creation in the universe. So we all are connected. So when we are seeing and understanding that thing, that we all are connected, that we came from the fundamental creation in the universe, then we rise above that boundary, border, and we meet an infinity field. Infinity field is that a field where we all can see that we all are one with universe. We all are in alignment with universe. We all are made of with the fundamental creation in the universe, and we all are connected, and we all have a deep cosmic relation. That is the infinity field. and we feel and we see and we understand that we all are one and we all are connected, and then our thinking and our actions start become universal, and the more and more people will start seeing like that now, that we are one with universe. The more and more people will start understanding like that we are one with universe. The more and more peace and light and hope will spread all across the world. And that's I'm trying to do in the best possible way I can, because I'm the best art scientist in the universe. So yeah, we all are one with universe, and we all are in alignment with universe. Thank you.